Nakshita Pathak from the Z News would like to spotlight the growing urban concerns. First, the excessive use of pesticides and chemical fertilizers in commercial farming. Experts warn that these practices are degrading soil, polluting the environment, polluting the water resource and posing serious health risks. Cities are also battling in waste management crisis. Tons of organic waste are end up lying in landfill every day, releasing methane, contaminating the environment and wasting our valuable resources. Another devastating concern is already we are living in a drastic environment. Upon it, long-distance food transportation is fueling carbon emissions and pollutions. So now, who will cut this chain of sustainable environment problem?
Wait, Tanvi, I have got a fabulous idea which we can convert into an entrepreneurship business which will not only promote sustainable living but will also promote ecological balance.
Fast-paced urban lifestyle, where there is a growing demand of fresh and chemical-free food products due to rising concerns of health and ecological impact. Our business aims to provide sustainable alternatives for the same. We not only provide the products which have ecological impact but also impacts the health of the consumer. Our vision is to make agriculture a part of urban lifestyle also.
We provide easy-to-use DIY kits, eco-friendly and continuous learning support with our AI-driven technology, which promote local food production, reduces waste and encourage a healthier, greener way of living.
So now we are presenting our Urban Farm Rooftop Garden Kit, especially designed to help urban residents to grow fresh and organic vegetables at home. We are providing planter box, organic soil and seeds and AI-driven tools. Everything that need to start a mini farm at your rooftop or balcony. The most interesting point is that you can sell your produced fruits and vegetables to the nearby retailers enlisted in our app that we have tie-up with.
In our kit, we also provide solar-powered temperature regulator which help to keep the plant cool throughout the day without any electricity cost. In our kit, we also provide DIY composting through which the households can convert their kitchen waste into organic manure.
We also offer online and offline workshops to help beginners learn planting.
We started as a bootstrap company 3 months ago with an initial investment of Rs 60 lakh. In just 1 quarter, we have earned a total revenue of 5 lakh with a gross profit margin 40% and a net profit margin 30%. If I talk about the composition of a single product, then a product lies between 20 to 25,000 and our making costs are 10,000. If I include all the other costs like taxes, other transportation costs, advertisement costs, then it make up to total of 15,000. Talk about investment. By all of us are free, then we all have invested Rs 20 lakh each. The composition in which we use funds are in first, building a good R&D team, second, in our app development, third, the training of our trainees, fourth, in procurement of raw material and in transportation costs, fifth, in marketing, which we have done through our online platform. Let's take Urban Farm Rooftop Limited to a next level of success together. Grow local, eat fresh, live green.